We have a very active 6-year-old girl who loves nature. On a day with good weather, we love to do nature walks, and she loves to collect rocks and sticks. So there is an abundance of these things in our home. But instead of discarding them, we try to do some crafts and other useful things with rocks and sticks. So today, we will create something beautiful with them with the help, of course, of some of our succulents. This is the succulent arrangement in concrete pot. To do this, we start by cutting the sticks to the size that will fit our pot. We would like to use one with branches so that it creates an illusion of like a full grown tree. Then we will just place it on top of this well-draining soil in concrete pot, and we are placing it in a bit of a slanting manner so that we will do a full coverage of the pot once the succulents are planted. We're starting with this Haworthia retusa, which has been growing in its nursery pot for a while. We will just remove some of the soil that it has been growing in. We don't really need to remove all of the soil, but just loosen a bit and basically just to reveal some roots. Haworthias are known for their whitish, thick and long roots, just like what we have here, very healthy. So when we plant them in their new soil, we just have to make sure that all the roots are properly covered, and then they will just eventually grow in this new environment. We will use mostly Haworthias in this arrangement as we intend to use it for indoor display, and Haworthias are known to thrive well in shaded spot, so they don't really like direct full sun, as the colors of the leaves will change from being this beautiful bright green to brownish color, and they will look dull and a bit dry. So this is one of the succulents that you can consider if you want something indoor. And then we're also adding in some Haworthia cuspidata, I think, and we're hoping to create a cluster in each of the branches so we can combine a bit of a mix of different sizes. So here we have like a bigger retusa in the middle, and that it will be surrounded by the cuspidatas around it. And we're using succulents in various shades of green to kind of, replicate the leaves of a tree. So, yeah. And when you're putting it, there is really no right or wrong way to do this. You can position them according to what looks good for you. But we just wanted it to look like a full grown lush tree, so putting them in cluster would be the way to go. And in case you're not happy with how it looks, you can always remove them first and then try to put them again until you get your desired appearance that you think will suit best your arrangement. Once done, it is important to clean the leaves, so you can use a dust blower like this to blow away any soil stuck in our leaves. And here is our tree, how it looks like. Next is to just add in some rocks and pebbles. So start by putting in this black rock, and this sort of acts as a reference point on where our tree is against the ground. And then we will add in some river pebbles, which has a bit of brown color, and it will provide the impression of the ground with like a clear horizontal line defining where the ground is. Did I explain that well? Well, you know what I mean. Like it provides an illusion of where the ground is. Like where is the ground against the soil? Just like this. See? That is where the ground is, okay? And then we just add in some white pebbles, and we just fill up any space that shows our soil. This is mainly decorative in purpose, as the white pebbles helps the green color of the succulents to be highlighted more, just to give a pop of color, and it actually just gives a cleaner look into it. And this is our finished product, the succulent tree arrangement in concrete pot. It is classy, neat, very catchy, and a great display inside your home. Although hortias can grow indoors, they're still plants, so they need sunlight to grow. Best to display them next to a bright window where they can get morning sun. As for watering, only water when the soil is dry, so maybe once every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your climate. How to know if the soil is dry? You can use a moisture meter, or you can use a wooden skewer, stick it in the soil for about 10 seconds. If it comes out wet, then no need to water. If it comes out completely dry, then you can give them a good drink. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment section below, and we really hope that you will like this video. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and we'd be delighted to share more succulent videos with you. So until next time, and bye for now.